Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hello, Rebel Canners. I am back out here at the bucket garden and I want to give you an update. It's only been about a week and a half since I was last here, but oh my word, look at how everything has grown. Let me flip you. All right. We've got the peppers up front, starting to make peppers. Look at the tomatoes that were just in blossom. They are now making tons of green peppers. I have a recipe for fried green tomatoes coming up on my community tab. So watch the community tab for that. Look at the cucumbers. They were barely up to my waist, just starting to get on the trellis. And look at all those blossoms. And I just love the trellis. Just love this. This is gonna be wonderful for it. Just absolutely love this. Okay, and the other buckets that haven't made it into the bucket garden yet are down here. Let's go look at the garden. All right, so we've got this row of brassicas. We've got peppers. Look at the tomatoes. Those tomatoes are huge. Look at those tomatoes. Let's zoom in. Look at the tomatoes. They're massive. All right, let's walk down here. All of these rows of tomatoes. Look at the squash. It is starting to put out blossoms. The carrots are doing good. The green beans are blossoming. Look at, it won't be long. There'll be green beans. It will not be long at all. Look at all of the blossoms in that row. Look at these rows. And down here, the onions. It rained really hard yesterday. Laid everything down. Look at all of them here. Potatoes are looking good. This apple tree is just covered with Macintoshes. Just covered. It is. And they are looking beautiful. I think the apples are going to be early again this year as well. Look at all those. It is just a beautiful day to be in the garden. All right. My currants still have a few currants hanging on there. I'm gonna have to pick those. Those look all right. My potato onions, my lemon balm, my blackberry I got from Roberta, growing some lamb quarters in there. My redbud tree is doing well. My hostas, my elderberry, everything is doing really well. So, and that is the bucket garden tour for the week of July 9th. Have a great summer and grow all you can. As always, can all you can. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.